In this video, we jump to the manufacturer side, fast-track rack manufacturing, design reuse, and approval. You will see the project manager, engineering manager, and rack engineer coordinate around the BIM model, reuse proven rack designs, and set up a controlled, traceable process from design to shop floor to final building model. Welcome to episode 4 of our data center series. In data center projects, speed and certainty are non-negotiable. When timelines are tight and infrastructure is critical, every decision must be in the first time. Using the architect's BIM model, the team begins coordination in Autodesk Navisworks, validating spatial constraints, clearances, and constructability early in the process. This ensures engineering decisions are based on real building conditions, not assumptions. With coordinated inputs in place, detailed rack engineering is executed in Autodesk Inventor. Each rack is modeled in full 3D with accurate geometry and manufacturing level detail, ensuring precision and confidence before production begins. To accelerate delivery and maintain consistency, existing design racks are reused and adapted using Vault Professional. Teams can safely copy proven designs, apply changes, and manage revisions without losing control. Because the data center projects demand strict governance, Vault manages approvals, design life cycles, and change orders with full traceability, supporting compliance and audit requirements without relying on disconnected tools. Once designs are approved, Vault automatically generates manufacturing-ready outputs, including PDFs and DXFs, and delivers them directly to the shop floor through Vault Thin Client. To ensure the rack fits precisely within the facility, final 3D models are shared through Autodesk Docs using Informed Design. Inventor models integrate directly into client's Revit environment, and any updates remain synchronized across teams. This connected workflow eliminates miscommunication, reduces rework, and keeps all stakeholders aligned around a single source of truth. In summary, Autodesk solutions connect design, engineering, and manufacturing into one integrated workflow. With reuse, control approvals, and automated shop-ready outputs, teams move faster, stay aligned, and deliver high-quality data centers with confidence.